Hey guys, so this is my getting ready for prom video. The title is a little misleading because I didn't end up going to prom. But it is my prom look, what I would have worn to prom, because I didn't end up going and I was going to just hang out with my friends in the city and just have dinner and stuff instead of going to prom because just just so good, I guess. And so yeah, and another disclaimer that I need to put out there, the quality isn't very good because I'm using my video camera, and because I still need to get a new rechargeable battery for my actual camera, so that's why I'm using this. Also, it stays on longer, it doesn't stop while filming. If I had it filming for 30 minutes, it wouldn't cut off on me, so that's another reason why I used it. But yeah, and there is no end result in this video just because this is really stupid, but it's because it died and because that day I just moved, so I didn't know where the charger was. I just actually found the charger today, so yeah, sorry about that. So this is basically just how I did my hair and makeup for this day, and I don't really do this much makeup or hair this in one day, so this is just generally how just getting ready for a more just going out, I guess. But I just want to put it as prom because I am senior and it just feels right. So don't judge me. And I'm using a BB cream because I don't really use foundation and I love this BB cream. I'm actually gonna get a new one, and it's the Maybelline BB cream, and yeah, I might have to get just a darker shade for the summer, but it's really good. I also want to try the e.l.f. BB cream because I like e.l.f. But yeah, there's just some weird isms in this that I do, so I'm sorry. And I use my MAC blush and I make such weird facial expressions in this, and I'm so sorry. A lot of eyeliner, and I do put on the fake lashes that I'll show in a few minutes or seconds because it's really fast. It's fast forwarded, so it's not boring. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, hold on, still on the eyeliner part. We'll get back to the lashes when I show the lashes, which should be in any second from now. So yeah, I was listening to music, by the way, that's why I'm dancing and stuff. So the fake lashes I used were from e.l.f. They're the dramatic fake lashes from the dollar line, and I did put them on. It's just that I didn't put them on camera because I had to go all the way to the bathroom and stick them on in the bathroom because there wasn't enough light for me to stick them on. So yeah, and then now it skips to me starting my hair. I did put my hair up overnight, and while we were unpacking and moving and stuff, and that's how it came out. It didn't come out the way I fully wanted it, so I took it out and then I used a curling wand. It's actually just a regular curling hair curler, and I just kind of made it a curling wand. I took the screw out of it and made it a curling wand. So yeah, and that's the end result, and I will put the picture in right after this clip. So hopefully you guys like this video, and yeah, I'm sorry that it's so weird and it's just me talking. Basically, it's not even really a voiceover, so I'm sorry about that. Tell me if you guys like these kind of more nonchalant videos. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.